also referred to as fungicides, as oomycetes use the same mechanism as fungi to infect the plants. Diseases are a common occurrence on plants, often having a significant economic impact on yield and quality. Thus, managing diseases is an essential component of production for most crops. Thus, the need for fungicides arises. Broadly, there are three main reasons fungicides are used, which is to control a disease during the establishment and development of a crop, to increase productivity of a crop and reduce blemishes. Disease-forced crops may produce less because their leaves, which are needed for photosynthesis, are affected by the disease. To improve the storage life and quality of harvested plants and produce, some of the greatest disease losses occur post-harvest. Fungi often spoil stored fruits, vegetables, tubers, and seeds, a few which infect grains produce toxins capable of causing severe illness or even death in humans and animals. Fungicides can be applied as dust, granules, gas, and most commonly as liquid. They are applied to seed, bulbs, roots of transplants, and other propagative organs. These treatments are usually done by the seed company. The goal is to kill pathogens that are on the planting material or to protect the young plant from pathogens in the soil. Soil either in furrow at planting, after planting as a soil drench, or as a directed spray around the base of the plant. Foliage and other above ground parts of plants by means of a sprayer and harvested produce as a dip or spray in the packing house. Generally, foliar application of fungicide sprays usually work in controlling infectious diseases because they act as a chemical barrier on the leaf, stem, or flower surfaces. When the pathogen arrives on the plant surface, it encounters this barrier and is unable to infect the plant. Effective fungicide use requires that this barrier be complete as possible. A spray method must provide the best combination of practical usefulness and good coverage. For many diseases,